Hello everybody, and I got great news, all right? I have amazing news. Look at this. So, not only did I finish it, but I am also gonna be doing the design. I'm gonna be doing my own drift delivery on this car. I've already started. The process is kind of wild. It's very new to me. It's the first time I've ever done this before. So you know what, be patient with me if things don't look that great, but you know what? I'm gonna be doing my best to make them look so fresh, so clean. I'm telling this right now. I'm gonna put some time and some thought to it too. I've done the whole masking, I've done the measurements, I'm doing everything I can. Just you wait. It's gonna be based off 3 colors as well, all right? So the first one, as you can tell, is gonna be white. The second one is gonna be red, and the third one, you already know, is the base color right here and there. That's the beauty of it. Not only that, look at these calipers. It's gonna get done. I don't know when, but the process has begun. I'm very excited. Be patient with me, and I'll also give some pointers on how to do it yourself.
The first 5 photos are the before photos. So as soon as I finished the wrap for the black, then I was thinking, it's missing something. What is it missing? Since it's gonna be a drift car, then I had to actually really think outside the box, something that I've never done before. So that's when I started looking online and started figuring out, hey, you know what? Maybe I should do a design. And these photos right here that you're looking at is the design that I actually picked out of all the designs that I looked. So I try to mimic it and do it myself. It wasn't that bad, nor was it that hard. All I had to do was actually get some measuring tape, get some vinyl cutting tape, get some masking tape, and then voila. I did my best and it came out pretty nice. Matter of fact, it was pretty even. I want to say roughly around 91% even from left and the right side. And what I mean by that, from the driver's side and also the passenger side. I was stoked about this, and at the end, it got an amazing delivery. I got good feedback on it. And on top of that, it wasn't too bad. So I would suggest just going out and doing it yourself. Find something you want and just try to mimic it.